Python boolean key for a dictionary. I want to use a group of booleans as a key for a dictionary, so weather equals sunny and temp equals warm would be 11 or true, while weather equals sunny and weather equals cold would be 10, and weather equals cloudy and weather equals cold, true. False would be where clothing equals 11, shorts 10, jeans jacket. Is there a way to do this? I assume it might require bit manipulation, and I am trying to keep this as fast as possible for operation time.
If you don't actually need to do bitwise operations on the individual conditions, i.e., you don't need two and or two conditions together, it may be simpler to just use a tuple of booleans as the key.
You can use bitwise or vertical bar operator. But the tuple version suggested by Bren Barn is better.
Oops,